It's so powerful, I can't even contain it. Let me show you how powerful it is. Let's just start it out. Let's just show you it's out of control. Hi, welcome back to Tesla Grow Green. As you can see here today, I actually have my human machine running, the multi-wave oscillator PCB version I created to run off of a PCB and a 9-volt solar panel. This here stimulates your cells by using high frequencies that can illuminate a light bulb in the air many feet away from my machine. Oh, look at that beautiful plant. Lucky for you, I also have a plant version. It uses a hexagonal type of antenna. You can use an octagonal type of antenna. It's a rigid cell plant, so as long as you get the high frequency and the correct antenna, the correct number of rings, the correct materials, golden frequency of pi, yeah, that's what the gist of it. You got yourself a heel machine, a plant machine, all running off free energy, which I would say is pretty revolutionary for today's standards.